Hello. Hello again, everyone. Assalamualaikum. Hello. My name is Airil Haimi. I'm Teech. And this is my next presentation. And in this presentation, I would like to propose to myself to teach a topic which I would like to present as my persuasive speech. So Teech, thank you for listening to me. Teach. My topic, my persuasive speech, the thing that I've chosen to present is called Please and Thank You. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Okay, why did I choose this topic, Teach? I would like to explain why. The reason is nowadays we forget to say please. We forget to say thank you, especially when we are working in a team. So the audience, the focus of my presentation will be future workers, people who will be working with other people, young professionals like myself. Okay, imagine I'm young. So I would like to present this topic for young professionals to know the importance of saying please, saying thank you. And in other words, the importance of appreciating our team members. So that's the reason. It's one of the reasons I like to show them, like to begin by gaining their attention, like to show a photo like that. It's a very nice photo about cooperating. I'll explain them why they need to listen to me, and the reason is very simply because no matter how good you are, no matter how excellent you are as a professional, as a worker, it's quite impossible for you to work alone. Even though it's your father's company or your mother's company, you still need to work with other people. So that's why you need to say thank you, you need to say please, you need to be humble, you need to appreciate your co-workers. Next, Teach, I would like to explain also a very important reason for choosing this topic, which is they need to understand, my listeners, my audience need to understand that the solution to the problem is always near. So what is the meaning of that? The meaning is when they feel as if they are not good enough as a worker, maybe they should look at themselves first. See what value they add to the organization. Sometimes we say our colleagues are useless. Of course, some colleagues are very useless also. You know, just saying bad things, backstabbing us and all that. But at the same time, we need to ask ourselves, what value, what good things, what positive things are we bringing to the team? See, saying thank you, saying please, working with other people, the ability to cooperate, that is so important. So they need to visualize. I'll make my audience visualize. Just imagine that you are not a good team member. People don't like you. You're very moody, angry all the time. You don't like to cooperate. You just like to criticize people's work. Everything that people do is not good enough for you. You submit your work late. You never meet deadlines. You don't go for meetings. You give excuses. You never give good ideas. You never provide good effort in the organization, in your team. So at the end of the day, can you still blame other people? Or should you blame yourself? So I will ask my audience to imagine and to visualize. Lastly, I would like to tell my audience about the call to action. And my call to action is again to invite everyone. Please change your attitude. Yeah, please. There you go. Thank you for becoming a positive worker. Thank you. Please work together in a team. Please appreciate and say thank you to your team members. And please be the very best that you can in your organization, in your team. And that's how you become a better worker, a positive person, and someone who can actually really contribute value to the organization. And who knows, one day with your please and your thank yous, you'll be the next leader for the team and maybe even your organization. So that would be what I'd like to present, Teech. As for data gathering, please and thank yous, I think I'll show, for example, a lot of this kind of photos, wonderful photos. I'll show also maybe some quotes. Some quotes, there you go, quotes behind me to give strength to my presentation. I hope it's okay. I hope you will accept my topic, Teech. Thank you for listening to myself, Teech. Thank you, Teech, for listening to Teech. Thank you so much. Please and thank you. Please join me in my next presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I'll see you when I see you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, happy presenting and be your story. Be your story, please. Thank you.